Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm gonna be comparing my slimes or homemade slimes versus store-bought slime. We're gonna see the stretchiness, the goodness, the funness, the playness, the pokeness, and everythingness. Okay, 1 second. So this is the store-bought slime and this is my slime. So we're gonna go with my slime first and then I'm gonna show you the store-bought slime. So mine is super thick and it is also a clear slime. It has a bunch of green glitter and it has these star beads. I really like them, so I added. Let's do the crackalackos. Sorry, my camera is. The crackalackos are pretty good. So that was my slime, and now we're gonna see the store-bought slime and then we're gonna compare them. So this is the store-bought slime. It has like kind of a watery texture and it is crystal clear. There are no crackle sounds. And it has like a watery texture, which I don't like about store-bought slimes. And this is the stretchiness, pretty good. The only thing I don't like about the store-bought, the second thing I don't like about the store-bought slime, how much you play with it and knead it, it gets more harder every single time when you play with it. So now let's compare them. This is the store-bought and this is mine. Let's see. Oh, this thing. Mine has a pretty thick texture and it is super nice and it's kind of spreadable like a butter slime. And let's see the crackalackos. This is amazing. I just love it. Okay, that was it, and now let's compare them. Guys, comment down below what should I make in my next video. Like what video should I do next? I have no idea. So you can see the store-bought slime is not that thick as homemade slime or my slime. Okay, that was it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, give it a like, please. And